Creating a YouTube channel is free, and you don't need to spend any money to start one. Step 1. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on the 3 lines in the top left corner of the screen. Click on My Channel, or Create a Channel. Step 2. Fill in the information for your channel, such as the name and description. Step 3. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture and banner. Canva is a graphic design website that allows you to create a wide range of designs, including logos, thumbnails and banners for your YouTube channel. Here's how you can create a logo and banner for your YouTube channel for free using Canva. Go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. Click on the Create a Design button and select the option you want from the list of options. Choose a template that you like and customize it with your own text, images, and colors. Use the editing tools to adjust the size, font, and layout of your design. Once you're happy with your design, download it as a PNG or JPG file. Canva also has a mobile app version, Canva Go, where you can access the same features and create designs on the go. Also, if you want to use premium elements like stock images, you will have to pay for them. But Canva has a wide range of free elements and templates that you can use to create your logo and banner. Step 4. Click on Publish Channel option to activate your channel. In the next video, I will be talking about how I am going to create content for the channel, edit videos, create thumbnails and optimize keywords to get the highest possible views. Subscribe for more.